Did you know that if you struggle with anxiety and depression, you have a lot in common with many famous Bible characters? Some of the greatest heroes in the entire Bible face the same emotional battles that you face. Hey everyone, this is Dr. John Vaprezsan, and welcome to the Journey to Freedom. Today I want to show you something that I've never heard anyone talk about: anxiety, depression, panic, fear, hopelessness, suicidal thoughts, shown by some of our favorite personalities in the Bible, and yet God still used them powerfully, beautifully, and purposefully. In the next few minutes, I want to show you why that matters for your healing and what it means for your journey to freedom. Here's the core belief behind Journey to Freedom. We believe that you're not broken, that you're not disqualified, and you're not a disappointment to God. You're a human being with a nervous system that has been overwhelmed, but a God who specializes in restoring overwhelmed people. So let's start with David, one of my favorites. The book of Psalms is basically David's emotional journal. He says, "Why art thou cast down, O my soul? And why art thou disquieted within me?" That word disquieted means my soul is roaring on the inside. You see, David battled fear, sleepless nights, trembling, moments of depression that were so heavy he thought God forgot about him. He was a warrior on the outside, but shaking on the inside. Does that sound familiar? And we see Elijah. One chapter, he's calling down fire from heaven. And the next chapter, he collapses under a tree and he prays to die. He says to God, "Take my life." If this is a burnout or emotional exhaustion, I don't know what is. He had a complete crash after carrying such a heavy load. If you've ever said, "I can't take this anymore," welcome to Elijah's world. What about Jonah? Jonah became so overwhelmed, so frustrated, so emotionally numb that he also said, "Lord, take my life." Those are suicidal thoughts. He wrestled with anger, disappointment, and depression that left him completely drained. Joel wasn't weak. He was human. And even Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane said, "My soul is exceeding sorrowful, even unto death." That's emotional agony. Pressure so heavy that it pressed blood from his sweat. If you've ever felt like your mind was under unbearable weight, Jesus knows that feeling. Here's what every one of these stories has in common. They didn't hide their struggle. They didn't pretend that they were fine. They brought their pain to God, and God met them right in the middle of their storm. Not after they fixed themselves, not after they felt better, not after they became more spiritual, but right where they were. This is why Journey to Freedom exists, so we can meet you right where you are. So many people today think that their anxiety disqualifies them. But the Bible says that God never disqualifies the anxious. He develops them. He restores them. He uses them to change the world. There is a purpose in your pain. There is a healing for your heart. If this message helps you, if your emotions have felt heavy, too overwhelming, or out of control, I want to invite you to click the link below in the comments to watch our free Journey to Freedom Masterclass. Inside this free training, we walk you through the spiritual side, the emotional patterns, the neurological cycles, and the biblical strategies that God uses to heal people from the inside out. This isn't hype. This is not a quick fix, but it is transformation. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Click the link below. Join me because your journey to freedom starts today.